Hi guys, today I'm going to make new stuff. Need 1 eggs, tomato and bread. First I'm going to cut tomato. Okay guys, need only half tomato. Right now I'm going to cook eggs. Okay guys, right now need bread center taken out. Okay guys, right now I'm going to cook eggs. Use butter. Okay guys, my food ready. This is my presentation. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is very easy food from morning and night. Very quickly cooking. If you like these videos, comment down, take like, subscribe channel, and you quickly see my next video. My next videos coming from couple day more and videos coming. Then from you watch whole video.